30 grams.
Oh.
Come on, little buds.
Antibiotic injection time. Alcohol wipe.
Now,
No squealing.
I know you don't love this, but Mummy needs you to have it. B12, all your vitamins. Oh, she's a clever girl.
Good girl.
Now let's get your brother.
Lucky. Another lucky.
Come on, kid.
That's another lucky.
Oh, you feel heavier today. Check the ones here now. Yeah. Pop you in there. Yesterday you were 280. You've gone up by 23. You clever boy.
I can't see that. Oh yeah, I can now. Hey, good boy.
Oh, he's a clever boy. You're a little bit more of a wimp than your sister. Let's get your alcohol away.
No crying, boy.
He knows what's coming. He's backing away from him. I know, boy. Hold on.
Better than me. You're better than me. I cry.
A little bit of this. Hold the hand. That's not done. Oh, he's such. Oh no, he spitted it out.
He spit it out.
He's like a monkey. Let's do it with my left hand because I'm left-handed. That's better.
Good boy.
Come on, back in now.
Good
Clever
boy.
Let's sort the needles out. Put them in the needle bin. There he goes.
Good
Well
boys.
done.
Clever. You're so
Both gone up by
clever.
a lot today.
Good. That's good. Oh, you're so clever. You don't like B12, do you? Tastes like poop.
Tastes like boffin.
What's wrong, Stefan?
They've gone up over 50 grams each this weekend.
Good. You're getting better then.
Yeah.
You're getting better, Stefan.
I don't
Yes,
understand why you couldn't do that.
Stefan. What are you
Tell me a
saying?
story, Steph.
Stefan. Whoa. You big wuss, Stefan. You big wuss. No.